When my heart grows tired and empty, when the world feels heavy on me, you are gentle, you are holy. Lord, your presence sets me free. In the quiet, in the shadows, you remind me I'm not alone. Holy Spirit, come and whisper, speak your peace into my soul. Holy Spirit, touch my soul. Let your presence make me whole. Holy Spirit,